Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today we're going to make the easiest earrings ever. So I'm using these charms. Aren't they pretty? The little hibiscus. These are actually probably one of my favorite flowers. I love these and daisies. And I've just got a regular gold tone ear wire because this has got gold tone on it. I'm going to take some flat nose pliers. I'm going to open up the loop, and then I'm going to hang the charm, and I'm going to close the loop, and boom, bam, beam. We got some earrings. Let me do the other one. And these are a really good size for those of you who love petite jewelry, maybe for a grandchild or one of your younger children, or you could even share them with one of your dolls. Now I'm going to go enjoy this thing that my son brought me. Yum, yum. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.